Hello everyone, it's John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. We are very much excited about our expanded 3-day auction, and there's no better way to represent our event this year than this spectacular Model J Duesenberg. J239 is one of the most fantastic Model J Duesenbergs out there. It is quintessential in all respects. Two-door, open styling, it's fantastic Murphy coachwork, but its restoration is what really sets this car off. It's the last car restored by Brian Joseph's Classic and Exotic Service, who do fantastic work both in terms of its aesthetic and cosmetics, but also in its mechanical prowess. And this car does have its original engine, body, chassis, and firewall, amongst a host of other original components, making it one of the most complete, original, and authentic J's in existence. It has a proven track record of success, being certified by the Auburn Duesenberg Club. It also won Best Duesenberg at the annual reunion and Best Duesenberg at the Amelia Island and St. John's Concours. This car is ready for anything. It can be a centerpiece of your collection, it can be on the show circuit, and certainly it is a stunning showstopper to anyone that's in its presence. The quality is absolutely exceptional. We're looking forward to Auburn this year, the birthplace of the classic car auction industry and America's favorite auction, and a lot of that is because of cars just like J239. We hope you're the next owner of this wonderful car, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the auction.